Hello dears. Now we start our next unit. In this unit we will discuss about automotive electrical system. So what is automotive electrical system? The vehicle electrical system comprises many different modules. However, the automotive battery is the heart of the vehicle electrical system. It supplies the initial current to the starting and ignition system. When the generator alternator is not charging, the battery supplies the current to the other electrical devices for all the time. Besides, it acts as a secondary source of electric current when the vehicle is not operating or the generator or alternator speed is not sufficient to meet the requirement. जैसा कि हमने देखा कि इन केस ऑफ ए ऑटोमोटिव इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम to produce electricity we use generator or alternator, but generator and alternator work when engine is on and engine is running at a required rpm. So at this condition the generator or alternator produce or convert electrical energy and supplies to the different components of the system. But when engine is not running, when or engine is stopped, then electrical energy is obtained by a secondary source that is called battery. So battery supply current to the electrical devices for all the time. The capacity of battery: over a period of time the battery got updates and upgrades. There are the different version of the batteries in different range of voltage, ampere hour, and with different specifications. Thus it changed its appearance and capacity. However, the basic function of the battery mainly remained unchanged. The battery now needs to be a substantially higher capacity. This is because of the number of components operating on electric power also increase, because क्योंकि nowadays या in current scenario in a automotive vehicle system number of components are operated by electrical electricity. So nowadays we require a high capacity battery. Actually the capacity of a conventional battery depends upon the amount of chemical it contains. Thus it also limits the amount of current it can supply, such as lead acid battery, nickel alkaline battery, and zinc air are the most popular types of battery in the vehicles. Now we will discuss about the function of an automotive battery. The main function of a automotive battery is to store and distribute the electric current to various systems in the vehicle. A modern vehicle needs an automotive battery to operate many electrical components, gadgets such as electrical gauges, digital gadgets, power windows, central locking mechanism, and air conditioning, etc. Nowadays, from mobiles, portable refrigerators to electric tire inflators, almost every component operates on electric current. So these are the some functions. Now types of battery according to the technology. There are mainly 4 types of the battery: lead acid battery, alkaline battery, zinc acid battery, lithium ion battery. The batteries are also classified on the basis of voltage, such as 6 volt battery, 12 volt battery, and 24 volt battery. द बैटरी मेन कंपोनेंट्स क्या होते हैं? बैटरी के अंदर दो ही मेन कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, जैसे कि पॉजिटिव प्लेट्स हो गया, सेपरेटर प्लेट्स हो गया, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल्स हो गया, नेगेटिव टर्मिनल्स हो गया, आउटर बॉडी या कंटेनर हो गया. दीज आर द मेन कंपोनेंट्स. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द फर्स्ट. So let we start our first battery, that is lead acid battery. The battery which uses sponge lead and lead peroxide for the conversion of the chemical energy into electrical power. जिसे हम जानते ही हैं, द मेन फंक्शन या वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द बैटरी इज टू कन्वर्ट द केमिकल एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. सो सच टाइप ऑफ बैटरी इज कॉल्ड ए lead acid battery. The lead acid battery is most commonly used in the power stations and substations because it has higher cell voltage and lower cost. So lead acid battery have higher cell voltage and lower cost, due to which it is more commonly used. So this is the layout of a plates, arrangement of plates in lead acid battery. There are the number of components of a lead acid battery: positive terminal, negative terminal, container, active material. So the main important is the active material which is used in the battery. The material in a cell which takes active participation in a chemical reaction during charging or discharging is called the active material of the cell. The active elements of the lead acid are lead peroxide. It forms the positive active material, and sponge lead and dilute sulfuric acid. These are the active material. Separators are also used. Battery terminals. Okay, thank you.